Friendlies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy fall inspired makeup look. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget that I have all the products I use down in the description. So let's get started. So I went ahead and did my foundation already because I mean, it's pretty boring to watch me put on my foundation, so. But I will show you the products that I used. The first thing I used was this Blue Lizard sunscreen. Then for foundation, I used the Colourpop Pretty Fresh foundation. For blush, I pulled out my Lime Crime Plushies palette and used this pink shade right here called Rosebud. Then I added a little bit of this shade right here called Chocolate Milk and used it as a bronzer. For a highlighter, I used this highlighting stick by Colourpop, and this one is called Star Bright. And I just applied it right around my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose. Sorry, I forgot what it was called. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Almay Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Brunette. Okay, the brows are finished, so now on to eyeshadow. So I'm going to take this eyeshadow duo and a fluffy brush and take this color right here, which is a nice warm brown color. I'm going to pick up a little bit on my fluffy brush, tap off the excess, and then I'm going to lightly apply that to my crease. And just keep blending back and forth on your eye. Now I'm going to take that same color on the same fluffy brush, tap off the excess, and then apply it to my lower lash line. And just keep blending until you get it all nice and even. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. So now I'm going to take a darker brown shade. So I am going to use this shade called Palm, and then I'm going to use a more precise fluffy brush like this one here. Pick up a little bit of the shade, tap off the excess, and I'm going to be applying this shade to the outer corner of my eye. And bring it slightly up into the outer portion of your crease. I know I make a lot of funny faces whenever I do eyeshadow. That and mascara. I make a lot of weird faces when I add mascara. Okay, I think that's starting to look pretty good. What do you guys think? So this part is completely optional, but this is what I like to do. I take that same brown shade and then I just take a skinny liner brush and add it all along my upper lash line. Alright, now is the fun part. Now we get to pick the shimmer shade we want for the center of our lid. So this is always the hardest part for me to choose because I want to put every shimmer on my lid. I'm going to go with the Stila Glitter and Glow, and this is in the shade Painted Lady, and this is the most gorgeous liquid glitter eyeshadow. It's amazing. So I'm just gonna take it and then apply it right on top of my lid. Now I'm going to take my finger while it's still wet and gently blend out the edges. And again, you don't have to use this, you can use any shimmer you like. Alrighty, so now that that is done, I'm going to take my liquid brown eyeshadow by Wet n Wild and apply it to my eyes real quick. So I will be right back. Alright. Eyeliner is done, and y'all, I don't know about you, but eyeliner is probably my favorite part of doing my makeup because it always makes your eyes pop. So this part is completely optional, but one way to make your eyes pop a little bit more is to take a very light shimmer shade or a highlighter and just add it to the inner corner of your eye.
Won't you take my advice? Nothing's half as nice as June.
Alright, so now on to the very last step of your eye makeup, which is mascara. Alright, mascara is done. Now on to lips. And one thing I like to do before I put on any kind of lipstick is first add a lip balm. So first I am taking this pinkish brownish lipstick, and this one is by Bite, and I'm going to just apply it very lightly to my lips. And I don't like to apply lipstick very heavily, so what I will do is just lightly apply it to my lips, usually in the middle, and then take my finger and just gently rub it out. And that just makes it a little more natural looking. So now I am going to take this glitter lip topper by Bite Beauty, and I'm just going to apply that to the center of my lips. And again, you don't have to use this exact product. You can use anything that you think matches your eye look. That actually looks really pretty. Alrighty y'all, so this is the completed look. I hope you had fun and I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I haven't done makeup like this in so long and I love it. So if you guys would like to see more videos like this on my channel, please hit the like button to let me know, and don't forget to share this with any of your friends that love to do makeup. And remember, all the products I am using and mentioning are going to be linked in the description down below. Alrighty y'all, I will see you in my next video, and stay safe out there. Bye!